I am Harinder Singh from Sharan Elecmech Pvt. Uh, we have bought first machine of Murata in 2008 in Delhi exhibition. We met Mr. Srinivasan. He's a very nice guy. We have bought first machine there in Delhi. Since then, they are providing. It's now 16 years now. Since then, we have bought two more machines from Murata. In 2014, we have bought one more, and in 2018, we have bought one more. Now we have total three machines. All three machines are running 24 by 7. These machines are very good, very low maintenance machines. The people are very good. They provide very good service. The product we are manufacturing on machines are acoustic enclosures, sheet metal enclosures. We really recommend people to buy these machines. We are looking for one more machine. We are talking with them to buy one more. We are looking to buy one more machine from them. Hope we will get the finalized it soon.